Right then, hope you're all doing well. Welcome to Happy Hungry Hibby. What we're going to cover this week is a recipe using tempeh. I've actually used this before, you can check out the recipe. Now this is like a cousin of tofu. It's a little bit more nutty, earthier, a much more sophisticated taste. So if you don't like tofu, try and give this a try. It's absolutely amazing. Really high in protein. And it also soaks up those flavours much more. You can see the texture here, it has that rustic kind of look. So what we're going to cover with this, something that has been covered quite extensively. A lot of people call it Facon, you know, or fake bacon, but in general it's going to be a crispy tempeh, which I'm going to cut into thin strips, so it can almost replicate that sort of bacon. Us British love a bit of bacon, especially for breakfast in the morning. So the great thing about this recipe is that you can actually give this a twist to whatever you want. It's really versatile. Use a whole range of spices, but the recipe I'm going to use, it's going to be using the tempeh, 1 block, date molasses, organic tamari soy sauce, and then the spices I'm going to use is a different range. The Chinese 5 spice, ground turmeric, mild chili powder, and then some ground cumin. I like the turmeric combined with the chili and the turmeric. It's going to give that kind of like a ready fake bacon style look, but the flavour from the Chinese 5 spice and the cumin will really set this apart, and it's kind of my twist on this. So let's get going. Then here we have it, the Facon bacon, aka crispy tempeh. I'm going to try this on its own. Try 1 slice. Wow, tastes just like meat. I'll tell you what I would do next time actually. Add some of the oak smoked water from Helen Mon. Absolutely amazing to just give it that little smokiness. You could also add smoked paprika as well. Add some of my favourite barbecue sauce. Check that out, absolutely amazing. You can't live without bacon. So really hope you're enjoying the show. please do subscribe. Lots of love and passion going into this. Also, turn on your notifications every fortnight on Tuesdays at 4 p.m. Also, do check out my other playlist of other whole food, plant-based and vegan recipes. Really enjoying inspiring you all. Please put your comments below for any kind of spin on this, what you've done, which are your favourite flavour and recipes. So have a great week everyone, and take care.